The first thing you have to do is having an account on the CRA website, so on the search bar of your browser like Safari or Google Chrome, search for Canada.ca to visit the CRA or Canada Revenue Agency website. Signing into your CRA account by clicking on this button, or make a brand new CRA account if you do not have any yet. Just scroll down and hit the sign in or register your CRA account and complete the steps. After you are having the CRA account, go back to the TurboTax website, then click on Current Year Tax Return option at the top left of the screen, and hit the Autofill My Return option just below it, which will take you right here. Then tap on Continue button to start connecting to your CRA account. Click on Sign In button to start the process. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.